Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started with a just before recess lesson, and we have done with a few explanation of few lines. So I'll be repeating once again. So let's start with first. Parker kept a sun in his desk. He fed it gravel and twigs, and once his gum went in lots of flavor, the warm varnished desktop felt good against its forearms, and the desk toasty metal bottom kept the chill off his legs. So the Parker is a boy. He kept a sun on his desk, and he was feeding a food for the sun, the gravel. Okay, and we have learned some meanings of gravel, varnished, and toasty. The meaning of gravel is crushed rock and pebbles. Meaning of varnished, a liquid used to protect wood. And last, we have learned the word toasty. So the meaning of toasty is dry and warm to touch. So the meaning of toasty is dry and warm to touch. And also, students, we have discussed about this picture. That was the classroom situation, and you can see Mr. Earl. He is a teacher. He's sitting and checking the notebooks. You can see the notebooks here. So he's checking the notebooks in the class, and while checking the notebook, he wanted his students. So these students, he wanted his students to be very quiet. So once in a while, he was looking towards students for checking. So what the students are doing? Are they reading the books or playing or disturbing others? So he used to look towards the students. So this is the Parker. You know, he's a very naughty boy in the class, and this student was not reading his books. He's not opened his textbook also. He is busy in opening and closing the desk. He's not busy in reading books. He is busy in opening and closing the desk. And he has something in his desk. You can see he has something in his desk. Parker was also keeping watch on his teacher. So when the teacher also was seeing towards students, and even the Parker was also kept an eye towards teacher, because if we get a punishment because he is not reading a book, so only he's playing with this pebbles. You can see that. So he also was seeing towards teacher, that the teacher is seeing him or not. Today, Mr. Earl was grading papers at the front of the class every once in a while, glancing up at the third graders to make sure none of them were talking or passing notes or looking out of the window. Parker would quickly shift his gaze down to his textbooks, so Mr. Earl would not give him the glare. A sure sign that Parker's name would soon go up on the board with the other kids who had lost their lunch privileges for the day. He could feel Mr. Earl's attention pass over him like a searchlight. So as I told you, so even the teacher also was busy in collecting the papers. In between that, he was looking towards the students. So what the students are doing, are they reading or looking out of the window or passing notes? He wants the students to be very quiet, and he wants the students to be reading the textbooks. So also, as you know, even teacher is also very clever. He knew Parker is very naughty. You can see in the picture itself, he is very naughty. So the teacher was looking at the Parker to find out what he was doing. Even the teacher was also looking at the Parker to find out what he was doing. So teacher also wants to punish him. So the teacher, because he was disturbing others, So he wants to punish him. The teacher wants to punish him because he was not reading, he was not open the textbook at all, and he was busy in disturbing others. Slipping a pebble out his pocket, Parker carefully lifted his desktop a quarter of an inch and slipped the rock in. It made a tiny clink when it dropped to the bottom. He leaned the desk away from him until he heard the pebble roll towards the sun, followed by the tiny hiss that meant the rock and had vanished into it. So this Parker was busy in continuously playing in the sun. He was busy in playing with the sun inside his desk. So you can see the sun inside his desk. What Parker did, he took out pebble from his pocket. So these are the pebbles you can see. So he took out the pebbles from his pocket and then he put the pebble inside the desk. So you can see inside the desk he has put the pebbles. So he opened his desk and then he put the pebble inside the desk. What happened after putting the pebbles? It made a clink sound. What happened? It made a clink sound. So meaning of clink means sharp ringing sound. So sharp ringing, when pebbles dropped into a desk, inside a desk, he heard a sharp ringing sound. So what he did, he put that pebble inside the desk because Parker used to feed the sun. It made a tiny hiss. So Parker used to feed the food for the sun, right? So only put the pebbles into a desk. Hiss means, hiss sound is a kind of sound made by a snake. So he made the kind of sound because rock had vanished. So rock had vanished. So whatever he was putting, it was vanished. So Parker used to think that those things were swallowed by sun. So here I told you the meaning of clink, that is a sharp ringing sound, and the meaning of privileges,